you got that deep for me. Real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me.
Okay, y'all, so this is my leave out area in the front. You don't have to leave out this much, but like I told y'all, my edges are barely there, so this is how much I left out. I always suggest like an inch and a half. You don't need too much hair out. Unless you want a lot of hair out, then you can do that. If y'all can hear this door, my son is like opening and closing the door, so just ignore it. So my braid pattern, my mom pretty much took one braid this way all around the back, and she came here, brought one across to the back, and then these are just straight back connected. I'm gonna just sew this here, and that's the braid pattern. I hope y'all can see good.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and you.
I jet blacked the bundles, and then I just jet blacked my leave out. Don't mind this, y'all. I was really trying to do this with no mirror. So either I'm gonna air dry the bundles and then we'll do my hair tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna have to wet them anyway. So maybe, yeah, maybe we'll just blow them dry and then sew them in and go from there.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Done be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go book tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just want live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Okay, girl, I'm done with the first bundle. Can we talk about how this is only one bundle? I could easily just do two bundles. All of the hair to the front. One bundle. Like, I wish I could feel how soft this hair is. How good it smells. Like, I am obsessed per usual. So I'm still debating on whether or not I want to do the Ivy method, where it's like a rectangle here and then the pieces like this. But I don't think I got the energy, and I really don't want to cut up my bundle like that. So I think I'm gonna just do it how I do the flip over wigs. So basically, this next bundle, I'm gonna start I'll probably do one more going like this, and then after that, after we do one more like this, they're gonna go like this all the way until we get to the top, and then I'm gonna sew one like backwards, like going forward, and then flip it back. So I just want to come and tell y'all that, because I'm probably not going to be talking during the rest of this, and I'm trying to make sure I got good lighting and everything. Y'all know how it is with natural light. But yeah, so this is where we are with one bundle, and I'm gonna put it all to the back so y'all can see.
Can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that.
Okay, y'all, so I have sewn on the one wavy curly around like I told y'all I was gonna do. I'm debating. Y'all, I'm really debating. I'm like, I think what I'm gonna do is cut this and then do one more or maybe two more. Okay, y'all, I had to go cut that off camera because I cannot see, so I'm gonna just sew that down real good on the edge. This is how much of that bundle we have left, doubled. So maybe twice here, and then when I start the deep curly, I'm gonna do one last around and then just bring those like that. We can flip over to both sides and the middle. Lift like this, like that, just to give it some extra volume. So I'm almost thinking to do that first, so that I know how much hair I have left for the rest. You already know our Indian curly is my favorite anyway. I do not make that a secret. Once this is like shaped up and my edges and stuff are blended, yeah, y'all, it's about to eat.
I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I want you to turn that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. Ooh, I had another thought today, baby. Every time I close my eyes, ooh, get a glimpse of this candy paint. Don't slip off when it grip off on top of your eyes. I know you see it here. Listen up and toss it, babe. I know everything you want. I'ma show you how I stroke it. Bring your drum on top of me. I'ma let you beat it, boss of me. I know everything you want. Give me that daddy long stroke. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that cherry out. Turn that cherry out. I can't wait till I get home so you can tear that.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just talk through this process so I don't have to do a voiceover. So basically, as y'all have already seen, all I'm doing is taking like small little sections like this, wetting it down. You can obviously wet your hair in the shower if you need to. It is a lot easier, but just wet it down with a spray bottle. I'm gonna take a paddled vent brush and comb your curls, comb it through, make sure there's no tangles. I take like a dime size amount. You don't need a lot of the Deva curl leave-in Decadence moisturized leave-in conditioner. This is so good for curly hair, like so good. So then I take the same brush that I use when I define the curls when I wash the bundles and like curly wigs. We're gonna use that same thing. So if y'all can hear my kids, they're playing. So you're gonna just run your dimming through, right? Just run it through regularly. And then I do like a motion like this. So I'm flipping my dimming upwards. So instead of when you regularly just brush through, the teeth are down, you're gonna flip like that. Flip your dimming brush up like this. So I'm gonna try to get up close so y'all can see. You know, flip that dimming brush up like that and pull the hair through just like that. And y'all see, like, it literally activates the curls instantly. Y'all see that? And then now we're gonna scrunch. And we're gonna scrunch, and we're gonna scrunch, and we're gonna scrunch. And you're gonna make sure the hair is nice and wet while you're doing this. I'm gonna pull y'all down a little bit. Scrunch up that section I just did. And I'm pretty much just gonna do that all throughout my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to talk y'all through it. I'm more than likely just gonna speed this part up so y'all don't have to sit here and listen, but I just wanted to give y'all an explanation of what I was doing, but y'all can see like the curls are popping. So
put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees and really had to talk inside. I'm in that 8 and then one of the twist different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around.
that's all I'm gonna do. I do need to film a few clips for Instagram, so I'm gonna film those and then I'll be right back to show y'all the rest. And then we're gonna let them air dry and I'm gonna show y'all how I blend my hair. I'm undecided, so I've already shown you guys on Instagram and TikTok how I take my little chopstick wand. So this little chopstick wand, really thin, I believe this is like 3/8 of an inch, really skinny. I usually just take this and I wrap my hair pretty loosely around it, because if you wrap it tight, it'll be like really tight. So I just wrap my hair loosely around here for a couple seconds, take it off, and then I'm able to blend my hair in with our deep curly like that. So at nighttime, obviously you don't want to use heat on your hair every day, especially with curly hair. So I would just take 3/8 of an inch flexi rods and I will just tie or wrap my hair around it like that with some mousse. And yeah, I also do want to try like a twist out with the perm rod on the end, so maybe we'll try that. I'm undecided, but because my oldest has her band concert tomorrow and then she has a game the day after, so is this the time to be experimenting with my leave out and then it not blend? I don't know, but okay, I'll be back.
Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja, deja. Cinco de Gallo.
Every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I made you when lady was.
But you got that deep for me.